So first here I want to create a calculated field based on the subcategory. So I have these subcategories, and for these subcategories, suppose I want to group them under one name. So for that I will use my if statement. Here in the space at the top, this is the field name. I want to check this criteria. Wherever subcategory field has chairs, I want to replace it with another value. So if subcategory, the field name, all the field names are written in square brackets and they get this orange color. So I will write if subcategory equal to chairs. So I am writing a text value. Whenever we write a text value, we write them in double quotes. So here I have written is if subcategory equal to chairs, and then I will write then if the subcategory is equal to chairs, then what I want, then I want the value to be furniture. So I will write furniture here in double quotes, that if subcategory equal to chairs, then give me furnitures in return. And if it is not, then either I can directly write and here, then if the chairs are not equal to furniture, then it will give a null value. And if I want something else, I want other, I want to write other here. So I will write else other, and then I will write and. Here it also shows that whether calculation is valid or not. Now what it is depicting, it will see that if subcategory field is having chairs, so wherever it will have chairs, it will replace it with furniture. If chair is not visible in the subcategory, if this criteria doesn't matches, then it will give the value as other. So let's see. So what we can see here, in the subcategory group we have only chairs, and then we have other.